We can continue exercise 17b. Now we can do question number 7. In the given figure, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and angle ABC is equal to 132 degree. Calculate first one angle AEB, second angle AED, third one angle COD. Join AC, BE and EC. Once again, join AC, BE and EC. Given AB is equal to BC is equal to CD, that means opposite of that angles will be opposite, and of that particular sides will be angle opposite to that particular, the angle opposite to that particular sides will be equal, no? So AB, BC and CD are equal means these angles will be equal, that is AEB will be equal to BEC will be equal to CED. These three angles will be equal. So first we can consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCE. ABCE. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So ABC plus angle AEC will be 180 degree. So this angle is 132 degree. That is angle B is 132 degree. Opposite of angle B is angle E. We are considering the cyclic quadrilateral ABCE. So 132 is here. So what about this angle AEC? This angle will be 180 minus 132, that is 48. That angle is 48. Which one? AEC is 48. This one. We know AB is equal to BC. These two are equal means these two angles will be equal. So total is 48. What about AEB? That is 48 divided by 24. Next this also 48 divided by 2, 24. So this angle will be 24 and this also will be 24 degree. That is AEB will be 24 and BEC also will be 24 degree. Then look at AEB plus angle BEC. AEB plus angle BEC. AEB plus BEC. Since BEC is equal to AEB, that is both are equal, these two angles are equal. So instead of BEC, we can write it as AEB itself. So BEC we can replace it as AEB itself. So AEB plus AEB is equal to, that is AEC. That is total angle AEC. That is 2 angle AEB is equal to angle AEC. So AEB is equal to angle AEC divided by 2. AEC we know that is 48 degree. So AEB will be what? 24 degree. So we got AEB as 24 degree, already we proved. So just explanation only this one. This is 24 degree. So AEB we got it as 24 degree. Then AED. Look at AED. Since already we discussed what AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. So these three angles will be equal. This one is what? 24. This also will be 24. These two are equal. 24. Since these two sides are equal means opposite of that particular side. No, that will be equal. So this angle also will be what? 24 degree. Why? Because we have already discussed AEB is equal to angle BEC is equal to 24. Also CED also as 24 degree. So these three will be 24. We want to find out AED. AED we want to find out. So 24 plus 24 plus 24 is equal to 72 degree. AED is 72. COD is a central angle. So COD is equal to, we want to find COD. So look at CED same segment CED, we got it as 24. So COD, same segment CD, COD is what? COD we want to find out. So CED is what? It is equal to 24. So COD will be to double the circumference. No, angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So 2 into 24, which is equal to 48 degree. That is, angle COD is equal to 48 degree. That is the third part. That is, second part is AED. First part is AEB. So first part AEB, we got it as 24 degree. AEB we got 24 degree. Second part AED is equal to 72 degree, and the third part COD is equal to 48 degree. Thank you.